All right, guys, let's go over some more tips. Like I told y'all, in the middle of doing this water pump and timing belt job. Now, guys, do not disassemble anything major, such as the timing belt, until you bring top dead center up, okay? In fact, mark your cam. You see that yellow mark right there? And I got one on the crankshaft down there, and I got to put one right here. Where is my mark? Find your marks. Like I say, bring top dead center up, and then find your mark. Where is my freaking mark? Oh, right there. All right, and put some I'm using this junkyard paint, okay? Now that mark actually go right here. This is the mark in the cover, okay? So what I'm gonna do is rotate the engine over until these marks line up. Only then, and only then, will I remove the timing belt. You see that? All right, now I got everything lined up. Yep. Crankshaft. Yep. Now it's safe to disassemble the timing belt. Take the timing belt off. When you get ready to go on with a new belt, just go back in with the same spot. Stay tuned.